Are you looking for the best pipe wrenches for your plumbing repairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pipe wrenches for your plumbing repairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, RIDGID Aluminum Straight Pipe Wrench. The RIDGID 18-inch straight pipe wrench is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for a variety of pipe work. The full-floating forged alloy steel hook jaws provide maximum gripping power and quick ratcheting action, making it easy to adjust pipes. The convenient self-cleaning threads and easily replaceable hook jaws, heel jaws, and spring assemblies make this wrench easy to use and maintain. The durable construction and easy-to-hold I-beam handle make this wrench ideal for heavy-duty and long-term use. At number 2, KOTTO Set Heavy Pipe Wrench. The Irwin Vice Grip Straight Pipe Wrench is a versatile and durable tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. The handle is made of high-strength malleable iron and the head is made of forged steel for lasting durability. The teeth are sharp and non-breaking, and the full-floating forged hook jaw allows for quick and easy adjustments. The handle is wrapped with plastic for a comfortable grip, and the wide I-beam handle design provides better weight distribution and saves labor. The wrench is available in 8 different sizes, and comes with a carrying bag for easy storage and transportation. US-based customer support is available to help with any questions or concerns. At number 3, MAXPOWER Inch Pipe Wrench. The MAXPOWER 14-inch aluminum straight pipe wrench is a powerful and durable tool that is perfect for residential plumbing works and repairs. With a clamping capacity of up to 2 inches and an overall length of 350 millimeters, this wrench is nearly 40% lighter than traditional iron pipe wrenches of the same size, making it easy to transport. The straight pipe wrench has serrated jaws and an adjustable nut, covered self-cleaning threads, and a replaceable hook jaw and spring assembly. Additionally, the I-beam handle provides a powerful grip and quick adjustments. At number 4, Tradespro Heavy Duty Pipe Wrench. If you're looking for a cheap and cheerful mobile phone, the Xiaomi Redmi 3s is definitely worth considering. Despite its low price, it offers a surprisingly good performance, with a bright and clear 5-inch display and a snappy octa-core processor. One of the biggest selling points of the phone is its impressive battery life. With moderate use, you should easily be able to get through a day on a single charge. Overall, the Xiaomi Redmi 3s is a great option if you're looking for a budget smartphone. It's not the most sophisticated device on the market, but it's more than good enough for most people's needs. At number 5, Goplus 4PCS Pipe Wrench Set. Looking for a quality pipe wrench that will get the job done without breaking the bank? Look no further than the solid steel construction pipe wrench. Made of high-strength malleable iron and forged steel, this wrench is built to last. The drop-forged jaw is heat-treated to resist distortion or breakage, while the precision machine teeth provide a secure grip on pipes. The spring-loaded head makes it easy to make quick adjustments, and the wide I-beam handle provides better weight distribution and saves labor. The plastic-wrapped handle is comfortable to grip and won't slip. Suitable for all pipe-related home improvement repairs, the solid steel construction pipe wrench is a must-have for any toolkit. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.